Hello everyone, this is Dr. Marshall and this is tutorial video 3. In the previous two videos we have signed up for Wix. We have taken a sample template. We have sort of dismembered it so that we can make it function the way we want to function. We have the required elements here, and now it's time to start adding some content. So just a word about the content. You can be as creative as you want to with these e-portfolios. You can do something very simple like this, or you can use a very complex setup or theme or something like that. The only requirement here is that these items appear in your heading, and we need to see those in your heading. So there has to be a home page, a page for your professional goals, a page for your SCOM classes, a page for learning outside the classroom, and a resume. So as long as those elements are there, we're good. So the first thing we're going to do in this video is to set up our home page. Now with Wix, along with Weebly and a number of other e-portfolio platforms, it's basically drag and drop. So we learned about the menus page. This is how we get our pages. And then this is the section that you'll need to start populating those pages. If you click on Add, you can see that you are able to place almost anything on your page. Words, images, either images from Wix or images that are on your computer that you want to use. You can add a photo gallery, vector art, some sort of shape if you're trying to do a button. Let's see, boxes, there's a certain type of strip that's a design element. You can add a video, music or audio, and social themes and those types of things as well. So that's your arsenal that you can use. That means you can upload photos, videos, PowerPoints, in-class presentations, papers, essays, anything that you need to do to help demonstrate and document your learning. So let's set up the home page. And again, it doesn't have to be exactly like this. You can do anything you want to do with the home page. We're just giving you some ideas and suggestions. So the first thing is for the home page, I am going to just add maybe a heading that says, and I'll move this here, and I'm going to be Sunny. So welcome to Sunny's SCOM folio. And you can see with this box, you can manipulate the box to have it there. You can change the size of the fonts as you want. You can change the color of the font in any way that you want to here, as creative as you want. But we'll just leave a basic black font here. And let's just say Sunny wanted to put a photo of herself. It's clearly not required, but let's just go here and add a photo. I think they call it image here, and I'm going to upload a photo. Let's see, on my computer I think I might have something here. Downloads. Okay, so this is a photo from a free site that I got, so we'll call this Sunny. Okay, so you will see for this e-portfolio or for Wix platforms, you can't load something from your computer directly onto the e-portfolio. It has to go into your image library, and then from your image library, you can go down here and add to page. So Sunny has a really big photo, so we want to make it smaller, and you can see how you can drag and drop here. And now Sunny has a photo Now we need to add just a short welcome. So we're going to go back to the text and use one of the paragraph functions. And we're going to go down here. And again, this box will manipulate based on how many words are in it or how big you want the words. And she can write something. Hi, welcome to my SCOM e-portfolio. This is a site that shows off my SCOM work, or anything else that you want to do here. Now you can do a little about me here, or put something about yourself, you know, what you're studying and those types of things as well. But keep in mind, you have a section that's called professional goals, where you're going to outline your professional goals. What do you want to do in SCOM? Maybe you want to do SCOM and then go to law school. You're going to talk a little bit about your professional goals and try to find a way to link those goals to what you're learning. So remember, we said you have to save a lot, and then you can always preview to see what it looks like. So if this site is published, this is the home page. Obviously, there's nothing in professional goals, learning outside the classroom, or resume, but Sunny does have a photo and a little narrative about her work. So we're going back to the editor. Remember, you have to be in the editor to make changes. One other thing, you are also able to change the color of your background. When you click on here, you'll see a little icon that says change background. You can add an image behind the background. You can have your image be a video, or you can just simply add color to your background, depending upon how you want your e-portfolio to look. And again, you're not being judged based on the design elements, although you do want something that's crisp and clean and professional. We're judging you on your the content, what you're putting in, and how well the content loads. And again, as with everything that's semi-artistic, what is the word? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So, but you can be as creative as you'd like to be. So Sunny now has a photo, she now has a heading, and now she has a little introduction and welcome to her page. So that is done. So now Sunny has her home page set up, and now she goes on to professional goals. And in the next video, video number 4, we'll chat a little bit more about the professional goals section.